Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I am continuing on with this Eileen haul, card caddy, turning it into a journal. I have put the spine in. I was going to do elastic, but I thought I'm going to try Eileen Hall's spine piece, and it actually fits pretty perfectly in this card caddy. I don't know if that was on purpose or not. I didn't cut it down at all either way. So I just assembled it and glued it down on some of my paper I had from my scrap digital paper, and I have that ready to go. I also found in my stash some of these that I had cut out quite a while ago. This is from a craft stash, Helen Griffin, one of the journal collections. I'll try to remember to link it, but I've used it in past videos before, so if you want to check out my little journal flip throughs, you'll probably see that. They measure 3 3/4 by about 5, and they're meant to go on spines like this, and then you can either glue this shut or you can leave it open as a pocket, so it kind of goes on either side of that and grabs that. If you can see that, hopefully that's coming through. So just kind of gets both sides. That way you have both pages. And then I have the Stamperia paper pad that I'm dipping into here called Forest. And I thought the colors went nicely with what I had going on. It's not quite the teal, but the ones that I'm using are a little more neutral. So I'm going to go ahead and glue those on. I cut those down to 3.5 by 4 3/4, and then they fit perfectly on there. And then I'm just distressing using some vintage photo just to kind of go around the edges, just so it doesn't look so new and cut, I guess. And the journaling card as well, or what looks to be like a matte and layer, I guess. Fox here, because we have a fox living by us and praying for our chickens. Where's the one I already glued? I have this one, and then I'm going to put that on the back. Like this, where it's like a partial page. And what's nice about having the top available is you can make like tags coming out of there, like a pocket. And I know I do have that video on there on my channel. Just check out all the journaling videos. And then we have our journal. You can decide what order you want these in. So remember, the open side is going that way. So, I don't know, maybe I want my first page to be him. I'm going to have to make a few more of these, but 2 wet glue, just so I have some wiggle room. And then it'll extend just the tiniest bit past. Okay, and then just squeeze, make sure that has time to grab. You can put it every which way so it's flexible. That way, that way. Kind of trains the paper. Okay. There's page 1. And then the last one for this video anyway. So shop around your stash, see what fits inside your, how you can use all your products together. That's a great way to do it. But you can begin to see how that's going to work. Let me just grab a tag. There we go. That's a good size. This is about 3 by 5 1/4. that's a good size to pop in there. Like that. So you'd have several of those. So it's just gives you another spot, hide some journaling, more pictures, photos, ephemera, things like that. All right, I'm going to finish that up. Thanks so much for joining me, guys. Go ahead and check out the other video where I painted this and hit that like and subscribe button. Check out the links below. Thanks so much for joining me. Have a great day.